guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing May's BoxyCharm. I got it earlier this month, so thank you so much BoxyCharm for sending me the base box for May. I do want to mention that I removed my nails, my fake nails. It's just because they need a break. Anyways, let's just jump into this BoxyCharm. This month's theme is Flourish. Boxy Flourish. It's so beautiful. The first item that we have here is by the brand Murad. This is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. We did see this on the sneak peeks. I am so excited to get this product. You guys know anything skincare, I love it. I need it. It's essential. It comes in a very beautiful packaging. It is plastic. You remove the cap by pulling it up. What I found amazing in this packaging is it's a pump. I thought you had to unseal it, but it's not sealed. So push down this white part, see the product coming out. I thought it was really cool. I've never had a product like this before. It is very hygienical because after every use, you can just swipe up alcohol on it and you can just clean it. It's easy to prevent any bacteria from collecting in there. The packaging is very interesting. I love it. This is to detoxify and revitalize your skin overnight. The formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. This little guy feels very hydrating. It's not heavy on the skin, which is one of my favorite things that I instantly loved about it. It does have vitamin C, which helps brighten and even your tone, while nourishing botanicals plump your skin to help visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Wake up radiant with a healthy looking skin. I love it. This little guy retails for $74. This one single item is more than what the whole box costs. The next item, oh my god, I was so excited to get this. It's another skincare. This is the brand Beekman 1802. This is the Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. It depuffs and fights dark circles. This is why I wanted it. And oh my god, guys, can we just talk about the packaging? It's so freaking cute. It comes in a plastic cute mattifying transparent box, but in here, oh my god, look at this. Oh my, it comes in a little fabric bag. It's so well thought. It's 100% cotton. It's so cute. I love this. So the packaging is a plastic bottle. The serum feels very silky, very lightweight. I am obsessed with. You guys know my under eyes need all the hydration possible, and I'm so excited for this. It feels refreshing. It does feel like it depuffs your eyes. I hope I don't finish this so fast. It does say you have to apply a pea-sized amount, so it's a very small amount you would use in the morning and the evening. This is a concentrated goat milk eye serum that helps awaken those tired eyes. Not only do I have dark circles, but they tend to look a little bit tired because dark circles naturally look tired. This little guy values at $42. Guys, this box was full of skincare and I am here for it. The next item is by the brand Sync Inc. I didn't know the brand Beekman 1802. I do own one product by the brand Murad, so I don't know this brand. This is the My Daily Dose of Uplift, Smooth and Lift. This is a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. Guys, look at the bottle. This is a glass bottle. Love it. Love the pink rose gold that it has. It's so beautiful. But can we talk about the inside of the product? Do you guys see those little bubbles? Green, purple, and orange. Those are encapsulated collagens. Don't worry about them because they will dissolve once you massage it into your skin. Oh my god, I love this serum. This serum, again, lightweight, not oily at all. I love serums. I'm so happy I got this serum. I'm actually running low on my serum, so this is gonna be my replacement. This delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. You will apply 3 drops twice daily before applying moisturizer. Guys, I freaking love this. This little guy retails for $65. Next, we have an item by the brand Ciate London. This is the Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Shadow. Wow. The packaging is so freaking cute, very holographic. I love it. This is in the shade Amber, and I decided to do a graphic liner with it because it is a liquid shadow. I would have used it all over my eyelid. I just didn't want to go so dark right now. I'm feeling spring, probably not so much in the weather, but I'm feeling very springish, hence my butterflies again. It is so oh my god. It is so freaking beautiful. Look at that iridescence. It comes with a little wand applicator, like lipstick. You could also apply this as your lipstick. I did not try it. When I actually swatched it, it doesn't dry so fast, so you have time to blend it. I really love how the liner looks. From every angle that you look at my eyeliner, it looks like a different color. See, on this side it looks green, on this side it looks copper. It's just so beautiful. I love it. This little guy retails for $20. The next item is by the brand Sophia and Mabelle. This is the Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm. It comes in a cute little pink box. The packaging on this is so freaking adorable. It's a transparent pink. I love it. Sadly, when I received my box, the entire lipstick was detached from the base. It was all the way at the top of the lid, so it squished out the tip of my lipstick. I had to squish it back in. It's still there. The packaging is so beautiful, and the color of this lipstick is very beautiful as well. It's such a natural lipstick color that I love so much. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with the full coverage of a satin finish lipstick, which is exactly what it looks like. I love it. This is something I would wear on a daily basis. It smells like vanilla. The formula is also amazing. It feels very hydrating, not drying at all on your lips. It feels like a lip balm, but it looks like a lipstick. It's so pretty. I did overline my lips, but with something similar to this color, just so that it doesn't look too dark. You know, it looks very natural. I freaking love it. I'm gonna use this a lot. This little guy retails for $15. And that is everything that we got in this box. My favorite item in this month, I actually can't pick. I love every single item. Everything I got in this box is a must and a need for me. I love all of these products, but if you have a favorite, let me know in the comments down below. The total value for this box is $216. That's insane. That's a lot of money. But if you're subscribed to BoxyCharm, you would only pay $25. Not $216, $25. You also get access to the pop-up online store where you can find a variety of products at a discounted price. And that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Leave in the comments your favorite item this month. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!